Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your Motorola Moto G72. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, click on Open. Here we can customize the browser, so choose a theme, pick a toolbar placement. You can also sign in to turn on synchronization between other Firefox using devices. You can also switch a privacy privacy settings, like a standard to strict. Read the privacy notice, click on Start Browsing, open any website. And you can see that the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.